Since I'm back, I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung naging weird kong habit every time I'm bored.
1949, there'd been a series of very strong earthquakes, and a fault zone had developed along the crest of the volcano.
Are you talking about the entire
I'm not sure if this is the intro of this vlog, but if it is, hi everyone, I'm back. It's been a while. And today is New Year's Eve. Bakit nasa lamin talaga na to? Wait. I have an extra pair if I don't want that. Pero today is New Year's Eve and I'm just going to be preparing something to wear kasi ang theme namin this year is denim. So I have to find in my closet ko kung may denim ba ako. Isa to sa mga problem ko. Hindi kasi sobrang dami kong damit. And you know what? Ita-try ko na lang sila both. So outfit change. Gonna remove this. Tapos mapalit ako lang to kasi I'm just gonna wear white t-shirt na lang sa loob. I just think it's better. I like them both. You know, I like them both equally. So I don't know what to wear. So this is fit number 1. Yeah, ito lang siya. Then I'm just like wearing pants. Actually, this is kinda better. I'll just wear this one. Just excuse how messy my room is, but bro.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point.
Happy New Year everyone. So, kakauwi ko lang and now I'm just going to get ready lang to bed cause it's already like 1 a.m. something ish. Sabi yung oily ng skin ko, so I'm gonna get ready na and I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.
Sleep alone, 'cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind.
So now, meron ako dumating na parcel kanina. Pero di ko siya na-unbox kasi I was like too busy. But ngayon i-unbox ko siya. I'm not sure kung ano to kasi dami kong in-order this December. So, okay. Hindi pala sa akin to. So, naghilamos ako. Okay. Kasi nga, I don't know, parang nainitan ako. So, since nakaganto na rin naman na ako, so, I'll just maybe put na rin yung nasa mukha ko. Just like that, I'm done. Then that's basically it. Hi everyone, it's me. I'm back. Uh, this is not probably the intro of this vlog, baka middle of the vlog na to. But anyway, wala naman talaga akong plans for this clip kasi gusto ko lang itry yung mic na binili ko. I mean, sabihan niyo ako sa comments if ever okay siya. Kasi if not, I'm not gonna use this ever again. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. I mean, it's budget friendly. So, this is the mic. As you guys can see, wala akong ginagamit na mic ngayon. But if I'm gonna plug it in, there. So, ito yung difference niya if ever may mic and wala. And I hate it kasi meron siyang green light. Diba? It's so awkward. Para makikita ka siya kapag if ever nagre-record man ako or whatsoever. So, anyway, as you guys can see, naayos ko yung likod ng ano. May controller yan eh. Wait nga. And isa pa, meron akong nabiling bago. Bago siyang budol sa akin. I first saw this sa tita ko and bumili din ako. It's a digital camera. It's really really good. I mean, para sa price niya. it's good. Tapos nag-take siya ng mga, digital photos. Yeah, diba? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's good. Tapos I already nag-take na ako dito ng mga unting pictures. Pati si Isaiah, kapatid ko. Diba? Pansin ko, every time ginagamit ko tong camera na to, suot ko tong jersey ko. This one. Kasi look at here. Suot ko siya, and I'm wearing it again. But yeah, that's basically it. Ano akong plans. Maybe tomorrow I might go out. Pero sa Sunday for sure aalis ako kasi may quiz ako ng Monday. Like we have a lot of quizzes sa Monday. Then I'm planning pumunta gusto ko mag-cafe hopping sa Sunday because wala mo akong gagawin sa Sunday. So might as well visit some few cafes. For sure I'm gonna bring you guys with me. And yeah, that's basically what I planned. Maybe tomorrow. No. No plans. I'm just gonna stay here. There. So, nilipat ko yung upuan ko, which is ito. Nilipat ko siya dito kasi nandun siya sa sulok. Kanina pa ako nakatayo and just wanted to sit. Alam niyo yung ganda na itong chair na to, medyo mura lang siya. Medyo kasi for its price, parang worth it naman siya. I bought this for like 3,800. So, mag-aayos muna ako ng desk ko kasi as you guys can see, super kalat. Kaya, yeah, join me guys. Mag-aayos ako. I had cravings.
Summer.
So, hi everyone. Good morning. So, today is Monday. And super aga pa kaya ginanahan ako mag-vlog kasi walang tao.
Implement effective customer-driven marketing.
Making his 8th start, Curry lines up a three, got the fly.
But at 30 in last night's loss, that was without Embiid.
Hi everyone. So yeah, this is probably the end of the vlog. And if it is, because maybe I'm sick din kasi kaya I decided to end it already because may sakit din ako and I'm not gonna be able to add more clips because hindi rin ako makakaalis. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching everyone.
Saw your silhouette in the back